Kyle, good to see you. How are you?
I'm doing well. How you doing?
I am well. Life insurance, it can play a big role in your
Mhm.
life and after. Let's talk to you about it. What do you tell your clients? What are your thoughts on life insurance?
First thought I have about life insurance, outside of the fact that people are woefully underinsured and whatever, life insurance seems to be the whipping boy of financial products. I mean, everybody loves stocks and investments, and that's cool. But I'm going to tell you one thing, Natalie. Life insurance is the only financial product that what you want to happen will happen, even in the event you're not there. It's the only one, right? And so that's what that to me, that's the power of life insurance. The most powerful thing about it is the death benefit. But that's just the beginning of this conversation.
That's a very powerful statement in itself, right there. It is really the only financial instrument that makes sure that you get out of it what you hope to get out of it. But people a lot of times may say, oh, I didn't get around to it. Oh, that's something that I know my grandmother wanted to do or my mother wanted to do and didn't get around to it. What do you say to those folks?
Well, if I had a piece of paper right now, I'd draw a circle and put TEWIT and let all the viewers know now you got around to it. Okay. Here's the bottom line. What happens if you don't make it home? There's two kinds of life insurance, technically. There's term insurance, which is a lot like renting an apartment, right? It'll eventually expire and you'll have to re-up, right? Most people don't like that because as they get older, the cost of that life insurance goes up. Then there's permanent life insurance, right? That's kind of like buying a house and building up equity. So permanent life insurance can be utilized in many ways. It's probably one of the most flexible based financial products you can own because how you design it. And some of those build up really nice high cash values that can be used for living benefits. And that's an whole other conversation. But the traditional use of life insurance is to replace the financial function of the person who has passed. Let me tell you, death stinks and it hurts, and you're going to miss that person forevermore. But you know what really sucks? When they go and the money and the check goes with them. And then now that makes an already nasty situation worse. So my question is this: do you have enough? Do you even know what enough life insurance is? And depending on where you are in life, whether you're still working or not working and retired, is life insurance still a valid tool that deserves some investigation and some exploration?
And coming off the heels of saying, is it enough? I think there's many people out there that they have the employer's life insurance benefits. Maybe they have that coming out of their check. Is that enough in your experience?
Well, first of all, when you ask what is enough, I want to clear one thing up. You can never be overinsured. You can either be maximally insured or underinsured. Now, most of the time, if it comes to employee benefits, you can get one, two, or three times your salary. The question is, where are you? How old are you? Do you have kids? Are they already out of the house? Are they still in the house? Are they going to go to college? Do you have debts? Or whatever it is, will whatever is going to be paid out if you die going to be enough to support the people you're leaving behind as if you were still here? You see, because life insurance is not a needs-based product, Natalie. It is a want-based product. While you're alive, you're going to want to live in the best neighborhood you can live in, drive in the safest cars you can buy, and enjoy yourself. When you're gone, do you still want that for the people you care about? And the answer is probably yes. Now life insurance can step in and you can work through different calculations on what is enough.
Getting back to something you said, there's two life insurance that people can look at, the term and the permanent. Now, you said when it comes to the term that you have to re-up and re-look into it each year if that term does expire. What about a permanent life insurance policy? Is this something that we still want to reevaluate on a regular basis as perhaps life changes happen?
Yes, great. Yes, great statement, great question. So here is how I look at it just in general. So term insurance, you can grab a whole bunch of life insurance coverage for a little bit of money up front, especially when you're younger. So here's an example. Let's say you got a 30-some-year-old couple, they got two, three kids. Now, they've got a mortgage, they've got college, they probably might want to be able to be financially ready for. And if one of the spouses or partners or parents dies, the question is, okay, how are we going to cover all that? Term insurance makes it so that you can get a lot of coverage for a little bit of cash up front. Now, permanent life insurance could be explored as well because there are a lot of living benefits you can build with that, right? There's so much you can do with permanent life insurance. So sometimes it makes sense to kind of do a mix of both. But it really gets down to having that conversation with a professional who understands different options in life insurance and deciding which one makes the best sense for where I am, and ask really key questions like, well, do I need it? And if so, how would I use this product or position this life insurance in my life?
Well, I am sure glad that you and I get to have these conversations right here on the show. I always learn from you every time we get to check in with you on Mondays, and I know you do just that for all of your clients. So if you're at home watching, get in touch with Kyle and his team today. There's his Facebook page along with his website.